Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, all series videos. Thank you so much for the likes, the comments, and for subscribing. In this video I'll be updating you on This Is Fate September teasers 2025. It is hot, I must tell you. So many things are in this video. Karan hires a detective to find Preeta. Nidhi feels betrayed as Shoria did this. You need to watch till the end to find out everything. Please subscribe to this channel. Let's go!
Preeta performs a puja with Karan as Rajveer's parents, but Srishti takes her away. Palki introduces Shanaya to the Luthras, who dreams of marrying Surya for wealth. Preeta suspects Nidhi in Rajveer's arrest and scolds her for slapping Kavya. 2nd September 2025. Shanaya reveals her plan to marry Surya. Preeta and Srishti want Nidhi to leave, while Arohi urges her to kill Preeta. Surya flirts around, making Shanaya insecure, and Srishti saves Preeta from a near accident caused by Nidhi. 3rd September 2025. Preeta senses someone wants to harm her. Nidhi hires a hitman through Nilesh. Preeta dreams of Karan, while Rajveer joins the family's Sangeet practice. Karan catches a glimpse of Preeta and wants to meet her. 4th September 2025. Karan visits Palki's house but misses Preeta. Shambhu runs her over, forcing Srishti to rush her to the hospital. Karan reaches the accident spot. Nidhi injects poison into Preeta's veins while Surya starts noticing Shanaya. 5th September 2025. At the hospital, Karan pays for Preeta's treatment. Nidhi and Nilesh attempt to kill her again, but she survives. Karan is shocked when Srishti insists he stay away from Preeta. Nidhi hides in the morgue to escape the police. 6th September 2025. Srishti and Rajveer take Preeta home secretly. Shanaya spreads rumors about Rajveer, which affect Palki. At the mansion, Srishti confronts Nidhi and grows emotional seeing Rakhi. 7th September 2025. During Raksha Bandhan, a snake bites Kavya. Nidhi stops the charmer from saving her. Rajveer sucks out the venom and collapses, leaving Preeta panicking for Kavya. 8th September 2025. Shaulya refuses Kavya's Rakhi. Karan apologizes to Rajveer, who embraces him. Preeta and Srishti go to confront Nidhi, but overhear Shambhu admitting he ran over Preeta. 9th September 2025. Rajveer and Palki miss each other. Shaulya plots to lure Shanaya away, while Preeta and Karan share a tender moment. Preeta confronts Nidhi, and Karan starts sensing her presence. 10th September 2025. Karan runs after Preeta's auto but misses her. Misunderstandings grow between Rajveer, Palki, and Shanaya. During Janmashtami, Shambhu is caught and exposes Nidhi's ploy. 11th September 2025. Preeta and Srishti sneak into the mansion. Karan saves Preeta from falling and feels a strange connection. Rajveer and Srishti witness an emotional reunion between Preeta and Kavya. 12th September 2025. Preeta questions Nidhi for sending Shambhu. Nidhi attacks, but Preeta retaliates. Later, Preeta and Srishti are arrested for abducting Nidhi. 13th September 2025. The police release Preeta and Srishti after Shambhu's confession. Girija makes a revelation about Preeta. Rajveer wins the Dahi Handi competition despite being injured, earning the Luthra's praise. 14th September 2025. Nidhi threatens to harm Rajveer. Shaulya drugs him and Shanaya, causing a scandal. Palki realizes Shaulya spiked the prasad, while Srishti rushes to help Rajveer. 15th September 2025. Preeta reaches the mansion as the Luthras witness Rajveer and Shaurya's feelings for Palki and Shanaya. The family accepts both alliances, leaving Shaurya and Nidhi upset. Karan is delighted to see Preeta in his room. 15 September 2025. Nidhi is scolded for insulting Shanaya. The Luthras support Shanaya for Shaurya and accept Rajveer Palki's alliance. Karan is surprised to find Preeta in his room. Preeta asks Srishti why she always takes her away from the Luthras. Nidhi promises Shaurya she'll remove Shanaya. Rajveer and Palki struggle to speak their feelings. 16 September 2025. Karan hires Detective Pratham to find Preeta. Rajveer admits to Mohit that he loves Palki. Karan finally brings Preeta home, but she fails to recognize anyone. Nidhi manipulates Shaurya into rejecting Preeta as his mother. Preeta decides to leave for Nidhi's sake. 17 September 2025. Nidhi dreams of Preetha's return. Karan and Pratham plan together. Srishti urges Rajveer to confess to Palki. Nikhil mistakes Srishti for Preeta and plans her abduction. Palki visits Rajveer, who questions her about love. 18 September 2025. Nikhil abducts Srishti, mistaking her for Preeta. Preeta, Mohit and Pratham chase them. Palki admits to Shaurya that she likes Rajveer. Nidhi rejoices, believing Preeta has been kidnapped. 19 September 2025. Shaurya fights Sandy over Palki. Kavya and Dadi tease Rajveer and Palki. Karina believes Shaurya wants Shanaya and informs Rakhi. Preeta fails to find Srishti at Rocky's den. 20th September 2025. The family doubts Shanaya's claims. Sandy reminds Shaurya he actually loves Palki. Rajveer grows suspicious of Nidhi after seeing her with Rocky. Mohit and Gurpreet rush Pratham to the hospital after an accident. 21st September 2025. Karan tries to rescue Rajveer from police trouble but misses Preeta. Rajveer warns Nidhi he'll expose her if guilty. Nidhi orders Rocky to kill Srishti. 22nd September 2025. Nidhi locks Srishti in a burning room. Rajveer and Mohit rescue her. Katya abducts Preeta, but Karan brings her home unconscious, shocking Nidhi. Preeta wakes and rushes to Srishti, only for Nidhi to suffocate her and set her bed on fire. Srishti suffers severe burns and slips into a coma. 23rd September 2025. Preeta and Rajveer grieve over Srishti's condition. The Luthras plan Diwali celebrations. At the party, Preeta overhears criminals plotting to loot the family. 24th September 2025. The criminals chase Preeta and Kritika. Shaurya fails to trigger an explosive planted on Rajveer. Preeta gets flashes of her past with Karan. The criminals render Preeta and Kritika unconscious. 25th September 2025. The gang opens fire at the Luthras party. Shekhar, their leader, is revealed to know Rishabh. Preeta struggles to save the family, while Nidhi hides. 26th September 2025, season final. Shaurya and Rajveer clash but unite against the criminals. Preeta protects Shaurya, impressing the Luthras. She overpowers Shekhar. Kritika and Palki are locked away, but Shaurya saves Palki, sparking a moment between them. 27th September 2025. Karan marries Preeta in anger, later softening as old enemies resurface. Rajveer is shocked as Shaurya tries to kill him. The Luthras subdue Shekhar's gang. Gurpreet secretly takes Preeta away. Meanwhile, Rakhi and Karina argue over Shaurya's bride, Shanaya or Palki. 28 September 2025. Rajveer takes Preeta away from Karan. Shaurya and Shanaya's alliance is finalized, and the Luthras plan Rajveer Palki's Roka. Karan lashes out at Shaurya for targeting Rajveer. 29 September 2025. Palki is happy to know Rajveer loves her. Shaurya plots to frame Rajveer as a drug peddler. Nidhi is stunned that Shaurya agreed to Shanaya's engagement. 30th September 2025. Shaurya plans to get Rajveer arrested during the Roka. Rajveer makes a ring for Palki and prepares to reveal his truth. Preeta heads to the Luthra mansion.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and come back for more updates from your favorite Z Word series.